Hi, I'm Dr. McKay, and I'm here to answer the question, what is QualFit Respirator fit testing software? In brief, QualFit software simplifies respirator fit testing using the suite or bit of fit test methods. A picture of these methods is shown at the bottom right of your screen. The software makes it easier to conduct a fit test, increases the accuracy, provides a written report, and complies with all OSHA requirements required in the respirator standard. Here's a brief overview. QualFit software automates the fit testing procedure. Once initiated, the software will guide the operator through each step of the fit testing procedure. Looking at the right part of the slide, we have the test status window, which currently displays normal breathing as the current exercise in progress. It also displays the number of squeezes of the strong fit test solution to administer based upon the results of the previous threshold screening procedure. Underneath is a timer indicating how much time is remaining for the current exercise. This ensures all 7 one-minute exercises are conducted with the correct number of squeezes for each exercise at the proper time and in the proper order. Let's do a quick demonstration. The first step is to insert the flash drive into an available USB port. Windows Explorer will open automatically and display the contents of the flash drive. At this window, find the QualFit.exe file and double-click it to open up the software. Once open, the main screen will appear, and the 3 most commonly used tabs are shown at the top of this slide. The first tab is called Subject Respirator Information. This is the tab that you will use to identify the fit test subject and the type of respirator they will be fit tested to. The second or middle tab is called Threshold Screening. It is used to record the results of the threshold screening procedure. The third tab is called Fit Test. This is the tab that will be activated to begin the fit test itself. So let's go ahead and conduct a fit test. Keep in mind, this video assumes the operator is already familiar with fit testing. The software guides the operator through the procedure, ensuring each exercise is conducted at the right time, in the proper sequence, and the correct number of squeezes is administered. If the operator is not familiar with qualitative fit testing, check out the links to our instructional videos at the end of this presentation. So here we have the main screen that will open once the flash drive is inserted into the USB port. First thing we're going to do is we are going to enter the name of the subject. In this case, we'll be fit testing Mr. Bill Connor, who's here today. And since he's been conducted previously, all I need to do is I can conduct a search by typing in the letter C, pressing this C in the search button, and his name just popped up here. We'll highlight his name and hit Add Subject. Now what we need to do is identify the type of respirator to be fit tested. So we'll come over to Make, use the drop down button here, and we'll select 3M. The model, the face piece that he will be fit tested to is called a 8710, so we'll select that. It is an N95 half mask respirator, although we could select other types of respirators. We'll keep that. And then this comes in one size, which is called regular. Optional, if we want, we can identify the name of his company. He works for ABC Healthcare, let's say, and that's located here in Cincinnati, Ohio. Now we move to the threshold screening tab at the top. So for the threshold screening procedure, we first need to identify which test agent are we going to use, and we can pick either the saccharin, the sweetener, or the Bitrex, the bitter agent. We're going to use some sweetener here for this fit test. In this case, we're going to put an enclosure over the subject's head, no respirators being worn. And then step number 3 says to enter the number of squeezes where the subject reports the taste of the threshold screening solution. So he detected it on 3 squeezes, so we'll use the slide bar at the bottom here. We now have the number 3 appearing in the window. And now we'll go ahead and hit the Fit Test tab at the top right. Now the instructions give us a reminder to have the subject, number 1, don the respirator, have them conduct the appropriate seal checks. Then we'll put the enclosure, sometimes called the hood, over his head. And then as soon as we're ready, we'll press the start button, that's the green button down at the bottom here, and begin the fit test. So I'll press the start button. And now we see the first exercise pop up, which is called normal breathing. The software informs us to administer 10 squeezes of the sweetener solution. We have currently approximately 14 seconds remaining. The timer will continue to count down, so we're at 6 seconds, 4 seconds, 2, 1. You may have heard a beep, and then the test window says that the subject should continue normal breathing, but we need to administer 5 more squeezes. The reason for this is the aerosol is affected by gravity and is slowly settling out. So every 30 seconds we need to replenish the challenge agent during the fit test. So we have 3 more seconds remaining. Here's the beep, and the window tells us to conduct deep breathing and administer another 5 squeezes. To save time, I'm going to pause the video and resume at the end of the last exercise. Welcome back. While you were away, I completed the fit test, and Mr. Connor indicated he never tasted the sweet aerosol. So the respirator passed the fit test. I'll respond to the question at the center of the screen which says, did the respirator pass? And I'll select yes. However, since Mr. Connor was wearing safety glasses at the time of the fit test, I want to record that information, which will show up on the printed report. So there's a comment field here, and I'll type in fit tested while wearing safety glasses. And then I have a choice. I can print the results. So I'll click the print button, and here you see the fit test report. We have the subject's name and ID number and name of the company that he works for. On the top right, we have the date and time of the test. We have respirator information that follows. We have the name of the fit test agent used, which was saccharin, the sweetener solution. We recorded the sensitivity results, which were 3 puffs. Indicates which fit test procedure which was used. In this case, it was the OSHA respirator standard procedure. Has a listing of each of the exercises that was conducted. It identifies the duration of each exercise, and whether or not the subject passed or failed each individual exercise. And then we have the final results, as well as the comments and other comments that we can add to the written report. And then lastly, we have the name of the fit test operator. So I'm going to go ahead and close this. We could print this if we have a local printer, or we can email the results to anybody, since these results are saved on the flash drive. So, as a reminder, there were 7 exercises, each of which was 1 minute in duration. Those exercises are listed here in the proper order. Remember, the respirator standard requires the operator to initially use either 10, 20, or 30 squeezes. And then, because the aerosol is diminishing in concentration, we replenish that challenge agent every 30 seconds using 1/2 the original number of squeezes. Some of the benefits of QualFit software are listed here. If desired, you can pause the video and review these at your leisure. For additional instructional videos on QualFit software, go to our website, www.qualfit.net. Then select the Documents and Resources tab at the top of the web page. Or visit our YouTube channel, or simply type in the URLs that are shown here. Thank you for watching this video. For additional information, visit qualfit.net. Thank you again, and have a safe day.